It's Miss Sandy. Welcome to baby time. I have my secret peekaboo hat on, but it's wobbling on my head. I think there's something inside. Let's take a look. Whoa! My head. It's hopping. Uh-oh. There's something green inside. Uh-oh. What's in my head? Here he comes. It's a frog. There's a green frog with brown spots inside my peekaboo hat. And he says, ribbit, ribbit. My hat is shaking again. There's something inside. It's pink. It has a curly tail. And it says, oink, 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 oink. Oh, it's a pig. There's a pig inside my peekaboo hat. Moo. Moo. What do you think's inside my peekaboo hat? Oh, it's a cow this time. It's a cow. Moo, he says. Who? Who's calling who? Do you think they're in my hat? Who is in my hat? Who says who that could be in my hat? Uh-oh. It's an animal that flies in the sky. And he comes in at night. He's nocturnal. Oh, look at the beautiful owl in my peekaboo hat. And Mr. Owl says, who? That is who's in my hat. What a peekaboo hat I have. It's really special. Dad goes with me. Let's sing Old MacDonald. Are you ready? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here meow, there meow, everywhere meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Thanks for coming today, guys. You were tremendous. I'll see you next week. Bye.